We do want to check in with the Weather Authority here and get ready for some on and off rain showers. I know we've got the warmth, but that's going to change too and tamper off a little bit, it sounds like.
We'll dodge many more raindrops than get underneath the downpours for the most part and enjoy a windy warm-up tomorrow. Yeah. Again, just wait a minute, right? The old standard.
Right.
The temperatures yesterday reached June levels. Today, it felt every bit of February or March, and I mean, that is a dramatic change. And even this evening, we still had a massive temperature spread that included upper 30s in Tipton and Kokomo and still in the mid-60s in Bloomington. The front, it moved through just before daybreak, so the April Fool joke here is that the actual high temperature for the day was 71 degrees. This was the warmest April 1st we've had since April 1st, 2012. And most of the afternoon has been spent in the 40s. In fact, where is the ice rink at Carmel? The temperature there is 41 degrees. It's been dreary and gray all day here at Ball State University and up into Delaware County, 40 right now. And at the airport, the temperature has settled to 45. I believe this is as low as we'll go for the rest of the night. The wind is brisk out of the northeast at 15 miles per hour, but that wind will begin to shift to the southeast late tonight. That's when the warm front starts to creep north. It came through as a cold front late last night, and as it begins to work its way north tonight, a handful of these scattered showers have once again developed in the last 90 minutes or so. These are pretty brief, but quick little bursts of some rain, and then they move north and northeast. This is all a product of the front that's beginning to push to the northeast. There were bigger thunderstorms earlier on in the day in southeastern parts of the state, but those have moved on. Did you catch the launch of the spacecraft earlier this afternoon, the Artemis II? That was pretty fascinating. We watched the radar scans here earlier in the day, and boy, they had a great launch there. They had sunshine overhead and 78-degree temperatures. Well, that was pretty much the weather we had yesterday. See where the front was late last night? That's where the focus of the bigger rains were. And as the front moved south overnight, it brought us rain, and now beginning to move north again as a warm front, it brings us a few showers. It will also bring us some stronger winds when it passes, and therefore a wind advisory is out for tomorrow. And the wind gusts, perhaps between 1 and, say, 6 p.m., could exceed 50 miles per hour. It's 41 degrees here at our studio. It is 37 degrees at Tipton and at Marion, 39 in Zionsville, and it's still in the upper 50s in Bedford to near 60 degrees. That front will shift directions and head north. Well, welcome to April. We had some rain around, and we expect rain in April. It's the fourth wettest month annually, so soggy season begins. We know that April can be extreme. Look at just in the last 24 hours how we exited one of the warmest Marches on record and started the month at 71, but at midnight, and have been sitting here in the 40s all day long. We can get our first 90-degree temperature in April, and April is one of the faster warming months. The average high today is 58. We gain an hour and 12 minutes of daylight and work our way to a high temperature on average by the 30th of 68 degrees. Put that into perspective as to how many 70-degree days we've already had this year, and it just seems like we are way exceeded, and we are already into May and June kind of mode. Well, it is still April, and it does look to be a warmer and wetter than average month coming our way. And while the high today was 71, we are sitting right now as much as 35 degrees colder than we were same time last night. These numbers are going to go up as the winds shift direction later tonight. There are the rains that are going to stay primarily to our west, but a few showers tonight should scatter and ease up as that front pulls north, and we'll start to warm rather rapidly again tomorrow. I'd say the best chances for downpours are going to be later tomorrow evening, and that's why we will be able to enjoy at least much of the day rain-free. And by lunchtime, the temperatures have moved now all the way back into the upper 50s and lower 60s and starting to climb easily into the 70s by late afternoon and perhaps even approach 80 degrees. The shower and thunderstorm chance, however, could begin to slide in tomorrow evening, and that's when I think the first wave of some downpours will arrive. Another chance at more downpours comes Friday night, Saturday, and then we get back to cooler weather as we get into the second half of the weekend. It's chilly and it's damp. The temperatures will be rising late tonight, so we'll start in the mid-40s, work our way to the 50s by daybreak, and top out near 80 tomorrow. Some heavier downpours, a scattered thunderstorm or two late in the day, and again Friday night, Saturday early. That's when the colder air returns, and a chilly change for Easter Sunday. A high of only 50 degrees and a cooler trend for much of next week.